What's up, HopsonFamily Gang, man? I'm finna be showing y'all how to get whiter teeth with 3 easy steps in 5 minutes, man. That's all it takes. If y'all don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, you know what I'm saying, however much it costs to get your teeth fixed, just follow these 3 easy steps in 5 minutes. That's all you have to do if you want white teeth like mine, you know, teeth whiter than my shirt, obviously. HopsonFamily Gang, man. I got y'all these 3 easy steps in 5 minutes to get whiter teeth like me. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to spend 20 bands to get your teeth fixed, man, this take like what? How much money? This will get you right in like $30. HopsonFamily Gang, $30. This will get your teeth whiter in weeks. 3 easy steps, 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Okay, first step obviously is you have to brush your teeth, HopsonFamily Gang. So if you don't brush your teeth, I really can't help you with these steps. Okay, so the first step, you have to brush your teeth. I already did that step when I woke up, so I'm not gonna get to that step. So step 1, go brush your teeth, HopsonFamily Gang. Look, before we get into the video, y'all give me a big like, a lot of comments, and subscribe to the HopsonFamily Gang because I'm doing all type of videos, man. I'm in my bag right now, HopsonFamily Gang. Okay, so the second step, get you some of this whitening gel right here. Look, natural white 5-minute whitening. Look, get you some of this. Get you some of this, HopsonFamily Gang. I'm trying to tell y'all, get y'all some of this gel right here. It comes in this package right here. You can get it from Walmart, Dollar Tree, anywhere. Just get you some of this, man. Whitening in 5 minutes. Okay, the second step, what you do, you take the thing out, put it on your finger, put a little bit on your finger, and rub some on your teeth, HopsonFamily Gang. Rub some of that gel on your teeth. You know what I'm saying? Put it all on your teeth. If you want white teeth like mine. Okay, the second step, it comes with this, but I don't use this. It's like a little mouthpiece. You put something in there. I don't do that. I have this Bright On Smile. I got this from Walmart. I think it's like $20. Get you one of these, man. It comes like this. It's an LED light. Get you one of these and you can plug it up to your cell phone. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just plug it up to your cell phone, and it comes right on, Bright On Smile. And you're supposed to put it in your mouth for 5 minutes. So let's put it in my mouth for 5 minutes, HopsonFamily Gang. 5 minutes. This is step 3. Okay, HopsonFamily Gang, it has been 5 minutes, and look, 3 easy steps, man. If you want teeth like mine, you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to get fixed. 3 easy steps in 5 minutes. Hey, That's all you have to do. Let me take my thumbnail. Let me take my thumbnail. 3 easy steps in 5 minutes, HopsonFamily Gang. So look, I'm gonna put this on my channel, and look, y'all have to go watch this if you're on whited teeth. 3 steps, 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Thank you, HopsonFamily Gang, for watching. And look, if this was helpful, give me a big thumbs up, man. Leave a comment if you have any questions about this, and I will respond back to you guys quickly as I can. HopsonFamily Gang, go get your teeth white in 5 minutes with 3 easy steps. Gang!
When I'm with you, I be feeling too comfortable. I can't let my guards down, no. I'm shooting at you with a scope on a rifle, with an AK round. I say when I'm with you, it might go down, but I'm just letting you know now. Hey, look, buckle up, it's finna go down. It's gonna be a long ride on this bumpy road. Hey, look, step out my side, don't you never fold. I'ma give you this game, don't you break the code.